In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to Bing so you can access personalized search results, saved preferences, and Microsoft rewards. Start by opening your web browser and going to bing.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner for the sign in button or a profile icon. Click it. You'll be redirected to the official Microsoft sign-in page since Bing uses a Microsoft account. Enter the email address, phone number or Skype ID linked to your Microsoft account, then click Next. On the password screen, type your password and select Sign In. Double check for typing errors and make sure caps lock is off. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it before continuing. If prompted, choose whether to stay signed in. Select Yes on a personal device for convenience or No on a shared or public computer for security. If you have two-step verification enabled, enter the code sent to your authenticator app, phone or email. Once completed, you'll return to Bing and see your profile icon in the top right. That confirms you're signed in. That's it. Open Bing, click Sign In, enter your Microsoft credentials, verify if needed, and you're ready to go.